Today we are going to take a look at adding whole numbers. So, addition of whole numbers. In our first example, we are given the number 1 and we are adding 2 to that number 1. 1 plus 2 is going to give us 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. In our next example, 4 plus 5, this is going to give us 9. So these are two very simple examples that I want you to remember, because this is going to help us in adding bigger numbers. So when we have 11 plus 22, we are adding the numbers in their respective columns. So for example, in the number 11, the first one is in the ones column and the second one is in the tens column. If we add 1 and 1, we would get 2. If we add 2 and 2, we will get 4. In this example, we are being asked to add 1 and 2. So we get 3. 1 is in the ones column. 2 is also in the ones column. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. In the tens column, we can see 1 and we are adding 2. We will also get 3. Our answer in this case is 33. Look at it carefully. And we move on to the next example. 23 plus 47. 7 and 3 is in the ones column. We add 7 and 3, we get 10. We cross out the 0 in the 10, and we place it under the ones column. Then we add the tens column. 4 plus 2 is 6, and we must add the 1 outside, which gives us 7. So our answer is 70. Be very careful when you have to add numbers and you get a number that is more than 1 digit. You must place it outside, cross out the number on the right, and add it in under the column that you would have been adding. Our next example, 267 plus 467, as we can see. 7 plus 7 is 14. We cross out the 4, we place the 4 under the ones column. 6 plus 6 is 12. We must add the 1. 13. Again, this is a number that has 2 digits. So we place it outside. We cross out the 3, add it under the tens column. On the hundreds column, we are being asked to add 2 and 4, which will give us 6. But we must remember the 1 outside, which gives us 7. So our answer is 734. Look at some other examples here. 114 plus 245. We add the ones column. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 359. Now, next example, 471 plus 340. We add the ones column. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. We must cross out the 1, put the 1 inside under the tens column. 4 plus 3 is 7, and we add the 1 outside, 8. 811. In our next example, 1456 plus 2435. Note, in this example, we are dealing with a number that has more than 1000 in it, which means in our previous examples, we would have seen questions with hundreds, tens, and even ones. In this example, we can see that the 1 and the 2 is in the place value known as thousands. So we add as normal. 6 plus 5 is 11, cross out the 1, place the 1 inside. 5 plus 3 is 8, we add the 1 outside, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. And under the thousands column, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Our answer, 3,891. Even though we are dealing with bigger numbers, the strategy remains the same. 872 plus 111. Simple question. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. 8 plus 1 gives us 9. 983. 723 plus 512. Again, very simple and straightforward. You add the numbers based on their column. So we're adding the ones column. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. 5 plus 7 would give me 12. Note, I am not placing the 12 outside. I am placing the 12 in the number. Our answer, 1,235. Let's take a look at another one. 516 plus 128. Again, 6 plus 8 will give me 14. I must place the 14 outside, cross out the 4, place the 4 under the 1's column. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 gives us 4. Under the hundreds columns, 5 plus 1 will give me 6. Our answer is 644. I have placed some simple addition here for you. 7 plus 1 gives me 8. 9 plus 5 gives me 14. 5 plus 6 is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 3 is 11. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 7 plus 4 is 11. You are required to know how to add numbers, how to add whole numbers, how to add single-digit numbers, because that is going to be very useful when you are being asked to add numbers that are much larger. Take a look at them. Look at the questions. Do them over and try your best. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time.